Good morning, students. Today we will start our business studies lessons. We will take chapter 1. The name of the chapter is Nature and Purpose of Business. Okay. Chapter 1, Nature and Purpose of Business. Now, see, this chapter has been divided into two sections. The first section has been added recently and it discusses about the history of India and its businesses. Okay, section 1, the heading is History of Trade and Commerce in Ancient India. And the second section was the regular chapter 1, Nature and Concept of Business. The first section was added recently, so if some of you are having the old edition, you may not have this part, so you can get it photocopied, okay, or you can download it from the NCERT website or CBSE website. Today in this video we will be discussing section 2, Nature and Concept of Business. Now see, here first we will in class 9th itself you might have studied about various human activities. The human activities has been divided broadly into two categories: economic activities and non-economic activities. Okay, now what do we mean by economic activities? How many of you can define that? Just try to repeat it in your mind. You have studied these definitions in class 9th economics. Okay, economic activities are undertaken by people to get some livelihood, generate income, whereas non-economic activities are undertaken by persons to satisfy our emotional needs. Okay, here in this slide we will be discussing about economic activities. Economic activities are those activities which are undertaken with the aim of earning livelihood. Now, how many of you can give certain examples of like this? Okay, like a teacher working in a school, it's a economic activity. In the same manner, a doctor working in a hospital. Okay, in the same manner, a doctor giving having practice at his own home. Okay, chartered accountant working in a company, or chartered accountant having his own practice. Okay, then people who are manufacturing goods and selling. So all these are economic activities because they all are undertaken with the objective of earning wealth, earning livelihood. Next is non-economic activities. Now these non-economic activities are those activities which are undertaken with due to affection, love, sympathy or patriotism, or faith, like we are going to temple for praying, so it's our faith. In the same manner, we are helping a poor person, it may be sympathy, or our mummy is cooking food for us, no, so it's a non-economic activity. So in non-economic activities they are taken due to love, sympathy or patriotism. Okay, whereas economic activities are undertaken with the objective of earning livelihood. Okay, in case of economic activities the objective is to earn livelihood, whereas non-economic activities are undertaken out of love, sympathy or patriotism. Now economic activities can be further classified into three categories that we have to study in detail. Okay, the first category will be business. The name of the chapter itself is related to business, no, nature and purpose of business. We will be discussing business in detail in chapter 1. Second activity is employment, and third economic activity is profession. Okay, now there are some differences between business, employment and profession. Okay, in business you need to invest lot of capital, risk is there. Okay, no educational qualification is there. But in employment, depending upon the nature of work, you work for someone where in return you are paid salary or wages. Profession, you have to pass certain examination of the body, related body, like to become a chartered accountant you have to pass the exam conducted by ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. In the same manner, to become a doctor, you have to pass the examination of the Medical Council of India. Okay. Now we will discuss the definition of business. Now, what do you mean by business? You might have seen many businessmen, no, around you. What they are doing? They are selling goods or manufacturing goods on a regular basis with the objective of earning profit. Or someone is providing services, like Airtel is providing mobile services on a regular basis, and in return they are charging fees. So business is those occupation or economic activity which is done on a regular basis with the objective of earning profit. Okay, it is either by selling goods or manufacturing goods or providing services. Okay, business refers to the occupation in which people regularly engage in production or purchase of goods for sale or exchange of goods or supply of services with a view of earning profit. Okay, they see these 2 points are important. Okay, regularly, okay, regularly engaged, okay, and then earning profit. Okay, for business these two features are important. The next point is employment. Okay, now employment refers to the occupation. Okay, it's the occupation in which people work for others and get remunerated in return. Okay, they are working for someone else and in return they are paid salary or wages. Okay, and depending upon the nature of work, qualification is there. Here in employment no risk is there because the person do not have to invest anything. In business risk is there. Okay, then the last one, profession. Okay, now see, in the last economic activity, classification of economic activity is profession. Now it refers to occupation which requires specialized knowledge and skill. The person to undertake a professional activity has to pass the examination conducted by the apex body of that particular field. Okay, and in return whatever service they are providing, in return they will get fee. In salary, in employment, salary is there or wages is there. In business, profit is there, revenue is there. In profession, these professional persons like doctor, CA charge fees. There is some risk element there, but it is very less as compared to business. And in employment there is no risk, but in profession there is risk. You have to pass certain examination conducted by the apex body, governing body, and you have to keep yourself updated. You have to pass certain exams on a regular interval conducted by the apex bodies. Now today we are stopping here. We will be discussing the difference between business, profession, employment in the next video. Plus we will discuss about the characteristics and other points in the next video. Okay, characteristics of business and the difference between the three economic activities.